Simple benefits of cash out refinancing. Let's go. This is Dan Max at EXP Realty, aka the trading agent, live here in Central Park, Beeler Park. Wanted to do a quick video about cash out refinancing. A lot of people, I would say, don't understand it completely or have a lot of questions. And one of the things that I want to make people very aware of is that if you do a cash out refinance, you don't have to worry about it as a taxable event. You're taking out more of a loan, so you will not be taxed on it. So it is cash that you pull out that will not be taxed. So if you have equity in, say, another rental, or you have equity in your home that you want to invest in another property, it is one of the best sources for cash to invest in real estate. Think about it. If you can use that cash for something else that can appreciate better, then cash is trash. I continue to tell people that in this inflationary environment, it reminds me of the 70s and 80s. It's only going to get worse. I think it's just one of those situations where if you want to hedge inflation, pull it out and use it for something. Your house is probably going to continue to appreciate. So that's never going to be a worry, especially in the Denver area where there's 2 to 3 years of demand, 1 to 2 months of supply. So that is not a recipe for a housing crash. So just keep that in mind. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to hit me up. I'm in the neighborhood. You know my face. You probably know this logo now, and I will see all of you around. I appreciate everyone and look forward to catching up. Take care. And also, if you're wondering why I'm in an unfinished basement with a bunch of monitors behind me, because this is the trading agent, aka myself, trading computer, and my office, I moved it to the basement. We had our floors replaced a couple times. I got tired of moving down then back up, so I'm in the basement for good. And if you like golf, you know I got the simulator. Hit me up, friends. I'll talk to you later. Well, I hope that helps. And if you have questions about cash out refinances, let me know. I got plenty of mortgage loan officer friends. I'd love to put you in contact with one that'll fit your personality and style, somebody that will give you the information you really need. Again, if you have questions, don't hesitate to ask. There's people here to help you. So again, Dan Max at EXP Realty. I appreciate everybody and look forward to talking to you. Be on the lookout for local sponsored events in the Beeler Park area.